Brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Cody's brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Ride or die, 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 ride or die. Cody's brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta ride or die. Now I gotta ride or die.
So what's up guys, we're back in it again with another review. Obviously today this is going to be a lovely treat for you again. I say treat on everything, but guys, seriously, the amount of time and effort that's been put into this car, Jesus, it's amazing. It's an E90 325 diesel BMW show car. I can't wait to get the owner on the channel in a minute, walk around it and show you this lovely car. I'll catch you in a bit. As we're here with the owner of this amazing car, seriously mate, this is a head turner.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. So what's the specifications and everything you've done to get it to, like, you know, obviously like this?
Well, it's not really, probably be easier to explain what I haven't done. I've pretty much covered everything.
Yeah.
So I've got a full custom wide arch E90.
Yep.
I've got a custom made M4 front bumper fitted.
Jeez.
I've got an M3 custom made bonnet.
Yep.
And then it's got genuine made to fit is the M4 carbon splitters.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
And then I've got made a custom number plate bracket to go through my toe and eye, so I can still use my toe and eye without smoothing the bumper. This just unscrews and then I can use it as I need to.
Nice little touch, to be fair.
I've got custom made headlights.
Yep.
With like well over 200 different functions.
Guys, will be putting in a clip of that, obviously a 5-second clip of what these lights can do.
Yep, and they also have updates. Like last week, connect my phone to the Wi-Fi. The app updates, connects to my car, and it re-updates the car, and then it has new patterns.
Yeah.
And it does that every other month, so you've always got new things.
So pretty much these are app controlled, and
yeah,
that's a fair touch.
Okay, yeah. So to go around, I've got custom made M3 wide arches.
God, they are wide.
And all this custom made stuff is all fiberglass.
So it's a nice fiberglass kit and everything like that.
Yep. And then I've got 720 super like extreme deep concave wheels. They're 10.5J all round ET5.
And guys, just look at this fitment here. I'm just gonna like obviously see that. Jeez. And obviously this is, as most people are gonna say, obviously on air ride, bagged. So no, it's lovely.
Going around to the back, got the custom made flared rear arches.
Yep, to match obviously with the fronts. Obviously the wheels are lovely as well. You're saying they're wider on the back obviously, so you've gone for the staggered.
No, it's not staggered, the same fitment all the way around. The 10.5J wide, all front and rear.
My mistake, guys, but it just looks, I don't know, from like the back it just, because of how it's sitting.
Yeah, it's because of the cam bar from when it's lowered.
Yeah, but even to the back.
And then here I've got a CLS rear complete boot lid. This is not a lip, this is a full complete fiberglass boot.
I was going to say, because with the CLSs they were like the full boot, weren't they?
Yeah, that's right, yeah, that's what that is. That is the full boot, that is not a lip added on. And I've got a custom made,
I was about to say that,
exhaust with the M3 bumper.
Jeez, that's mad. The stuff, guys, all the details and everything that's gone into this car though, it is.
And then the whole car is resprayed in Renault liquid yellow.
I was going to say that, guys. If you've watched the video we done on Peter's Clio RS Trophy Cup, that's the same colour as this. And it's, I'll tell you what, I'll be honest, from first impressions, obviously from pictures, and like you said, pictures don't do it justice. I thought it was the, you know, that M3, the yellow.
A lot of people think that. They always comment saying it's the M3 gold, the yellow colour, but it's not. No, it's the Renault liquid. So the light, wherever you take pictures, whatever angle, it's always reflecting. So the pearl in it.
Oh, that's lovely.
Yeah, different colours all the way around.
That is so lovely though. That colour just, even in you know, as the sun hits it, as we're looking now, I hope the camera picks it up, guys. Just brings out everything in the paint. But obviously, interior-wise, have we done anything? Like, are we?
Yeah, we're going to start. So we've got full core boot RXI leather interior bucket seats.
Jeez.
With TRS 4-point harnesses.
Jeez.
And then I've had the iDrive fitted because this factory didn't come with on factory.
Yeah. So a little boost gauge I see over there as well.
Yeah, I've got the boost gauge in there. I've got custom made clocks all made up. Yeah. They've got my Instagram on it, and I've had the LED lights on the back changed to clear white.
You'll see that obviously, guys. There'll be a little bit of a cinematics of this interior shot and everything like that. I mean, even the.
And then custom made harness bar.
Jeez, you ain't playing about. You're not playing about. Fair play. Again, I have mad respect for this build. This build is just. It's something else, but it's lovely in the same time. Like, it's something else. It's mad, like what's gone into this, but you can tell it's passion. Passion's gone into this, guys, and 100%. Love. But no, I mean, this car, seriously.
Yeah, the appreciation I get from just driving about and people waving and saying hello is just unbelievable.
Well, to be fair, mate, obviously where we are, like, you know, when someone sees something like this, where we live and everything like that, it is a head turner. It's a proper head turner, and it's lovely. I can't, like, you know, words can't express.
You, under the bonnet?
Yeah, let's have a look at what's underneath the bonnet, guys, because we need to do a little bit of a disclaimer here, as such. But obviously, this being a 325 diesel, guys, everyone thinks it's like a 2.5, but in fact, it is a 3 litre straight 6 diesel, ain't it?
That is, yep.
But Jesus. And you said you've had this obviously mapped and everything like that.
Straight through, decat, custom down pipe, EGR delete. I just fitted ram air filter in.
The size of that, guys, a ram air. Jeez, that guy, it looks like it goes on and on, but it's
custom made shot bar that you will not be able to find anywhere.
No.
Like that made in Holland.
Holland, nice. But yeah, no. Seriously, though, mate, this is a real treat to have this on the channel and everything like that. Obviously, the next question is, shall we go take it for a drive and see how it handles?
It'd be rude not to, wouldn't it?
No. Catch you in a bit, guys. So, guys, you join me in the passenger seat of this amazing car. if you've seen the clip before, obviously transitioning to this, you are in for a treat. Obviously, from a passenger's point of view, this is going to be something different. Seriously, like even in these bucket seats and everything like that, it feels like a proper race car, like ready to go and everything like
comfy.
that. Comfy as hell though as well.
Most bucket seats you get a bit sore sitting in, a bit achy, but these you can sit in them for hours.
Have you done any long distances in these seats as such?
Yeah, I've drove up to Birmingham quite a lot.
Yeah.
That's like 3.5, 4 hours drive.
Yeah. So, but that turbo's hilarious. And this car is just, it's a lovely motor. Jeez. Oh, Jesus. Obviously been remapped and everything like that.
Yeah.
I mean, you saying to me like off camera, this is still on like stock turbos. Everything else has been done. Fair play to its turbo though, taking that.
And I can sit on there and look, it's not straight first.
She's ready to go. Oh no! No!
It's holding every gear.
Yeah.
Feel it.
Yeah, I can feel that now. Oh god. What I'm gonna say is I hope the windows don't fuck up any of our audio and everything like that. I'd say like that, but anyway, Jesus guys, as we were saying, like standard turbo, everything else is uprated. I mean, even sitting in like with passengers, it feels like the free, like you know, like you're getting in it, but it feels so comfortable.
Yeah,
your seats, you can cruise, everything like that. Now, as we touched obviously earlier on in like the walk around, this is on air ride and everything like that.
Yeah.
Now, am I right in saying this setup is kind of like the Bentleys and the Rolls Royces where it's a self-adjusting and everything like that?
Yeah, so when you program it to your settings, you'll watch, if we go over a bump, it's always trying to counteract and put more pressure in it.
Oh yeah.
Counteract, you see the pressure always going up and down when it hits a bump, where it's trying to counter itself.
Yeah.
Just always keep the car even.
To be fair, if I was going to go for like obviously air ride or anything like that, guys, I would go for this type of like this setup and this one because in my opinion, this is just me being a little bit biased, guys, but you want this type of air ride. You want it to self-level and everything like that, and it, even with this suspension, like the way it's set up and everything like that, I know I'm going to sound like I'm giving like bags a bad name and all that crap, but you know what it's like with the other sets. This just plants.
Yeah, exactly. You get what you pay for.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is airlift performance, so
yeah,
obviously the top people to go.
Yeah. But this is on another level. See the guy doing the visa.
We'll have them.
Oh, fair enough. Probably thinking, who the fuck? He's probably done the double take now. He's like, oh, what's this on my back? But yeah. Nah, he just looked. Nah, the plug just looked. He's like, oh, I've been kept. But no, seriously. And this is this 400 foot pound on top?
Last time I had it download was before I did on fully tuned, and that was running just under 500 then. So now I'm unsure, but it's definitely probably about 550 at least.
550. And this
maybe more.
This thing's like you're saying, it's on like what? It just pulls for everything, and like guys, again, this car's what, 200? Is it 250 on the clock mileage or
203,000?
203,000 miles on the clock, guys, and it's still pulling like a train through
like
everything.
daily as well, not just a show car.
This is the thing. It's a show car as well as the daily. I mean, this is proof you can have both.
Yeah.
Like, this is genuine proof, guys. You can have both, and again, I keep on saying it, but fair play to you, mate, on this car. Seriously, it's a lovely piece of kit. It's a beautiful car to look at. I mean, guys, I've seen it at a couple of car shows. Like, I've always tried to get, obviously, a hold of Lewis and everything like that, but every time I've gone, you've disappeared. But I'm that type of person that don't want to message you saying, oh, I'm ready, come have a chat and everything like that, because I respect, like, obviously, this car's on show, you've got stuff to do and everything like that.
I'm so busy admiring everyone else's cars.
Yeah, you don't want to mind my car. But yeah, No, seriously though, Jesus, thank you for taking me out in this
You're welcome.
treat, man. And to be fair, I'm going to drop this in here now. Zach, you should have waited. You should have waited until we got the boost cage on that. I'm probably going to get a message up there tonight saying, oh, how'd it go?
Yeah, he definitely needs. I told him I'd take him out again.
Yeah. Well, there you go, Zach.
It's a completely different car now.
You need to obviously revisit this one. But what just say though, this, just want to say this to you guys, obviously thank you for getting me to everything like this. Obviously, you know the owners that bring these cars on and everything like that. It's just, it's a hobby, but it's something like, you know, I haven't really started, I've only started a month, but like, I've got into it, if it makes sense. Like, I've enjoyed obviously the graft and everything like that. Hell, even like, you know, Zach was the one who got me into it, because like he done a review on mine, like that little thing like that.
Yeah.
And no, ever since then I haven't really like thought of, I know it sounds strange guys, but I've never thought of not doing it now, if that makes sense. Like, it's kind of there. It's like, next thing, if I can get it every weekend, fine, fair enough. If not, like, it's here and there. But when I do get the chance to review these cars, that ST's gone now. I think you scared him. But yeah, no, I seriously, like, I appreciate obviously the owners that bring these cars on. Obviously yourself for bringing this again, mate. I keep on saying thank you, but it's just one of them cars though. I just appreciate cars, anything like diesel, petrol, anything like that. I love it. It's just one of them things. But no, this is, I'm glad I've experienced it, if that makes sense. Like, from a passenger's point of view, like we were saying off camera, you said, like, you know, it is one of them cars you just got to get in and like, you know, experience the power, the torque, everything, the way it drives.
Yeah, you can't describe something like it. It's just, people won't believe you.
No, it's just an amazing machine. But is there any socials you want to plug or anything like that?
Yeah, so I'm sponsored by a detailing company, Shadow Sport. So yeah, give them a check out.
Yep.
On there, my headlights all custom built by a company called Keep Your Car Safe.
Yep.
Or KYCS.
Yep.
Yep, and that's it. And
yeah.
that's
obviously,
it, yeah.
Your Instagram, obviously, if people want to.
Yeah, that's Yellow E90
Yep.
on my Insta.
Yeah.
I'm sure there'll be a picture of it on my windows on the video.
Oh yeah, we got that, don't worry.
Them?
And I'll probably, what I'll do guys is, obviously the companies that have done like your lights and your detail and the detail company, they'll be linked in the description obviously. Yep. So if you guys want to check them out, feel free to check them out. Obviously follow this man for this lovely car, for what it is and everything like that. I mean, I'm following it, and to be fair, every picture you put up is stunning of this motor, no matter what the angles are and everything like that. I mean, we got, well, again, you got a couple of shots before we started filming, but it's just where we are. It's a lovely place to be.
Location.
But again, thank you very much for bringing this on the channel.
It.
And yeah, guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. Obviously, like, comment, subscribe. Again, if you've got a car and you're local to me or in the Kent area, obviously, feel free to drop me a message. My contact details will be down below. If you want to join the group, obviously, I've started, which is based off of this as well. The socials for that will be down there as well. I've got to plug that, obviously. But yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.